Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets perfection. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour inside one of the most breathtaking modern mansions ever designed, the K15 Luxury Mansion. Nestled in an elite neighborhood surrounded by lush greenery, this architectural masterpiece stands proudly with its signature silver upper floor and white lower floor design, a color harmony that perfectly blends futuristic elegance with timeless sophistication. From the moment you lay eyes on this residence, the first thing you'll notice is its mesmerizing front facade, sleek lines, wide glass panels, and soft reflections that shimmer beautifully under natural daylight. It's not just a house, it's a statement of modern art and engineering excellence. As you walk up the driveway, you'll notice how every detail is crafted with precision, from the polished tiles beneath your feet to the perfectly trimmed garden edges. The silver tone of the upper floor glows gently in the sunlight, while the pure white lower level adds contrast and calmness to the entire visual. It's truly a sight you'll never forget. Stepping inside the grand entry foyer, you're welcomed by double-height ceilings, elegant lighting fixtures, and a luxurious open space design that immediately speaks sophistication. The living room or TV lounge area opens up with wide sliding glass doors, letting in abundant natural light. A massive flat-screen TV sits perfectly against a stone-textured wall, surrounded by comfortable designer sofas, the perfect spot to relax or entertain guests. Moving on to the kitchen, the craftsmanship is nothing short of perfection. With a silver and white theme continuing throughout, this modern kitchen features double island counters, a built-in refrigerator, state-of-the-art ovens, and a sleek dining area nearby. The lighting under the cabinets and the shine from the marble countertops reflect the silver tones in a way that feels both futuristic and warm. The bedrooms in K15 redefine comfort and privacy. Each one comes with floor-to-ceiling windows offering stunning outdoor views. The master bedroom, in particular, feels like a five-star retreat, spacious, minimal, yet rich with luxurious details. The attached bathroom is a masterpiece of modern design. A large glass shower with multi-jet settings, a freestanding white bathtub, silver fittings, and soft ambient lighting that creates a spa-like atmosphere. For those who value productivity, the private office inside the K15 mansion combines professionalism with comfort. Sleek furniture, bright natural light, and calm colors make it the perfect place to work in peace. Next, we step into the home gym, a fully equipped fitness area designed for both function and luxury. Mirrored walls, advanced workout machines, and LED mood lighting make exercising here a pleasure rather than a chore. Outside, the garage showcases perfection once again, a spacious area with polished flooring and advanced lighting, large enough to display luxury vehicles like a private car showroom. It's not just functional, it's part of the mansion's aesthetic charm. Heading to the outdoor area, the scene is truly breathtaking. A grand swimming pool stretches across the backyard, with an infinity edge that reflects the mansion's silver and white tones. A sun deck with lounge chairs provides the perfect place to unwind under the blue sky. As the sun sets, the mansion glows softly with golden reflections, making every evening a cinematic experience. Every corner of this house has been designed to impress, whether it's the hidden LED lighting, the gentle curves of its silver surfaces, or the flawless finish of its white stone structure. The K15 mansion is more than a home, it's a symbol of modern ambition and refined lifestyle. This is not just luxury, this is living art. So if you dream of modern elegance, unmatched comfort, and timeless design, the K15 Luxury Mansion is your ultimate inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking property tours from across the USA. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep achieving, and keep believing in the power of beautiful design.